The seasonal reproduction of Atlantic salmon, nature's ingenious cycle. Introduction. Imagine a journey so perilous and extraordinary that it defines the very existence of a species. The Atlantic salmon, renowned for its incredible migratory feats, undertakes one of nature's most remarkable reproductive cycles. But there's more to their breeding behavior than meets the eye. Let's dive into the lesser-known intricacies of the Atlantic salmon's seasonal reproduction. Seasonal reproduction, a symphony of nature. Atlantic salmon, Salmo sailor, are anadromous fish, meaning they spend part of their lives in freshwater and part in saltwater. Their reproduction is closely tied to seasonal changes, particularly the transition from summer to autumn. This period marks the beginning of their epic journey back to the freshwater streams and rivers where they were born, a phenomenon known as homing. The migration, a grueling journey. As summer wanes and water temperatures begin to drop, Atlantic salmon in the North Atlantic start their migration from the ocean to freshwater. This journey can span hundreds, sometimes thousands, of miles. The fish rely on environmental cues such as the Earth's magnetic field, water temperature, and chemical signatures in the water to navigate. Spawning grounds, the cradle of life. Upon reaching their natal rivers, salmon travel upstream, often overcoming formidable obstacles like rapids and waterfalls. The female salmon, known as a hen, selects a suitable spawning site characterized by gravel beds with a steady flow of oxygen-rich water. Here, she digs a nest, or redd, using her tail to create a depression in the gravel. Courtship and mating rituals. Once the redd is prepared, courtship begins. Males, known as bucks, vie for the attention of the female through displays of strength and coloration. Dominant males fend off rivals and position themselves alongside the female. The courtship culminates in synchronized spawning, where the female releases her eggs and the male simultaneously releases his milk and sperm over the eggs, ensuring fertilization. Egg development, a fragile stage. After fertilization, the female covers the eggs with gravel to protect them from predators and the current. These fertilized eggs, known as roe, undergo a critical development phase over the winter months. The cold water temperatures slow down their metabolism, ensuring that they hatch in spring when conditions are more favorable for the survival of the young fry. Seasonal timing, nature's strategy. The timing of spawning is crucial. By laying eggs in autumn, Atlantic salmon ensure that the young fry emerge during spring, when food availability is at its peak and water conditions are optimal for growth. This seasonal synchronization is vital for the survival and continued success of the species. Culinary delights. The roe of Atlantic salmon. Atlantic salmon roe, commonly referred to as red caviar, is a prized delicacy in many cultures. These bright horny pearls are not only visually appealing, but also rich in nutrients. They are often enjoyed on their own, served on wheels with a dollop of creme fraiche, or used as a garnish for sushi and other seafood dishes. The subtle, briny flavor and the delicate texture of the roe make it a gourmet favorite. Conservation significance. The life cycle of Atlantic salmon is intricately linked to the health of their aquatic environments. Overfishing, pollution, and habitat destruction pose significant threats to their populations. Protecting the rivers and streams where they spawn is critical. Efforts to restore and maintain these habitats not only support salmon population, but also benefit the entire ecosystem, including other species that share their habitat. Conclusion. The seasonal reproductive cycle of the Atlantic salmon is a testament to the intricate balance and timing inherent in nature. From their arduous migration to their precise spawning rituals, these fish exhibit a remarkable adaptation to their environment. Protecting their habitats and ensuring clean, unpolluted waters are essential to preserving this natural wonder. By championing the conservation of Atlantic salmon, we help safeguard the delicate ecosystems they inhabit, ensuring that future generations can marvel at the extraordinary journey of these